A cellular device or cell phone is a device used for mobile communication. Cell phones use a cellular network which is made up of specialized base stations known as cell sites. A cellular device offers full communication. As the phone user moves from one area to another, the system automatically commands the mobile phone and a cell site with a stronger signal to switch on to a new frequency in order to keep the link.
Cell phones transmit and receive signals using high-frequency microwaves.
The hub channels and transmits the signal to a receiver. The receiver may be another tower or another hub. Then, the receiving phone rings when it picks up the signal. So what would happen if your cell phone is too far away from a tower?
The signal coming from the phone transmits to a tower, which sends the signal to a hub. Then, if the signal has not yet reached another phone, the signal will bounce to another tower or hub until it reaches a tower that is close enough to the receiving phone.
The quality of your cell phone calls depends on the terrain and how close your phone is to the cell phone tower or central hub.
Every cell phone sends out a signal at a specific frequency. What will happen if a cell phone next to you also uses this frequency?
If one signal is transmitted from a transmitter with a certain frequency and some other transmitter is sending some other signal with the same frequency, then there will most likely be a clash or interference between these two signals, since these two transmitters are located about in the same area.
Though the process needed to complete a cell phone call looks complicated, the entire process happens so quickly it seems to be instantaneous. In addition to making phone calls, cell phones have many different uses. They can be used to send text messages, browse the internet, and take photos.
Cell phones and cell phone towers are radio waves that cause radiation to transmit and receive signals. Some concerns have been raised that these signals might increase the risk of cancer, and research in this area continues. Martin Cooper of Motorola made the first handheld mobile phone call on a prototype Dynatag model on April 4, 1973. A handheld mobile radio telephone service was envisioned in the early stages of radio engineering.